Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to another daily journal with me. Today is day number 9. I'm kind of losing count what day we are, but I'm pretty sure it is day number 9. And today I am going to be documenting about my daughter's latest volleyball tournament. The girls did amazing. They won third place and they were playing against 18-year-olds, and they're only 15, so I think they did really good, and it was just such a fun day for us. It was actually a 3-day weekend, but yeah, so I am going to be using for this spread some flowers that I have left over from, I don't know, my other pages, and some more of those journaling cards. And then I found these really pretty papers. I think they are, I don't know where they came from, but I had them forever, and I think they will make a really nice background on this spread. I mean, you can really see them at the end in camera, but in person they do add this really beautiful texture to the page, and it looks very elegant, and I just love it. So I'm going to be adding that and creating a very simple collage for this page. I want to create some fun interactive layouts, but also some more simple layouts to give you all kinds of different ideas of how to fill up your journal, and also to make it, you know, a little bit of a faster process as well. I do want these videos to be 50 minutes or less. I know sometimes we go over the time, but it's all about the mood and collecting the memories. So I backed the picture on this piece of cardstock. I wanted to have a pretty pink outline. I'm going for a bit of a very soft, romantic pink look on this very sporty page. That's okay. We're gonna balance it like that. So I went ahead and grabbed my washi treasure box. I save in here all my beautiful washi tape. I don't use a lot of washi tape, but I love these flowery, almost wallpaper looking washi tapes that are made by my dear friend Anna, and they are just so pretty. Her YouTube channel is Cottage Rose Papery, and she also has an Etsy store and has these beautiful washi tapes. So I'm going to try to remember to link them below, but I just wanted a little piece of the flowery washi tape to put on the corners to make it look like it's holding the picture, although we know the pictures are also glued down, but I really wanted to have that, again, soft romantic look here on the page. So for the other side, I am also adding that beautiful paper that I don't know where it came from, but I love it. And I'm just gonna glue that again on the background. Hard to see on the video, but it's really pretty, especially as a main background for the page. Then I have these other pictures that I wanted to use. It's funny how when I start making the spread, I just grab a few things that I think are gonna look cute together, and I print the pictures that I want to use. But in the end, the magic happens when you open the journal and you let your creativity just come to you. Because if you would have asked me 10 minutes ago, what are we making? I would have said, I don't know yet. But as I'm recording this process and as I'm looking at these journaling cards, everything kind of starts coming together, which is what I love the most. And I don't like stressing about what I'm gonna do next. I just like to grab things that look pretty and just let the ideas flow into the page. I really love this journaling card, which I didn't really pay much attention to it before, but then reading the inside of the card, it says, let me open it up here. It says, dream without fear and love without limits. And I thought that was so perfect for this page, especially because the girls really did their best, because they were playing really hard teams, and their team was number one. They were small, they're 15s, but also we had so many girls on finals that didn't make it to the tournament. I mean, we only were playing with 8 girls on the first day and 7 girls on the next 2 days, because one unfortunately got injured, so she wasn't able to play the next 2 days. So we were really struggling. The girls were playing positions they usually don't play and against all odds they ended up really high on the record. So really proud of them. And dreaming without fear is just such an appropriate journaling prompt for this spread. I'm just finishing up by adding some ribbon on the top and bottom. It was looking a little bit too white up there, so I have this really pretty ribbon that has some leafy design on it, so I thought it was really cute, again romantic, for this page. And then I have this little bow, ribbon bow, that I thought it was really pretty to put on the corner of the page right up there. And that's it. That is going to be our spread for today. Very simple in a way, really beautiful to put together, and especially amazing remembering the times and collecting the memories. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that you are enjoying the series. Please leave a comment. If you don't have a comment, please put a heart or a happy face on the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a like and maybe share with your friends. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.